Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a video with you of what I eat in a day. I am going to have a keto day today and make easy keto meals, and I had this idea to cook the whole day with just 10 ingredients. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, the whole day. Not 10 ingredients per meal, 10 ingredients for the whole entire day. And next I will show you what those 10 ingredients are, and I'll also write a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full list of the 10 ingredients and the recipes for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So it's got everything that you need, whether you're new to keto and looking for meals, whether you're curious what keto is about and just want to have a day of keto, or if you've been on keto for a long time and want just some more meal ideas, just want to take it back, keep it simple, these will be the easiest meals you could possibly make on keto. So let me get into it now, and I will show you the collection of foods we're going to be enjoying today. So this is what I'm working with today. These are the 10 ingredients. This is all I'm going to eat today. These are what's going to make up my meal, and I'm including even coconut oil and salt. And as I'll mention through the day, feel free to add more ingredients, feel free to add your seasonings, your flavor of choice. I'm probably going to get comments saying it's very plain meals. Well, use your seasoning. You like pepper, add pepper. You want coriander, if you want mint, if you want sage, whatever you want, add to your day. Do that. There's no rules. I just want to show you how easy it is to just cook up lovely meals, really wholesome, just a few ingredients, only 10 the whole day. Okay, it can go on forever. Let me talk you through. I'm using coconut oil. You could use coconut oil or butter or olive oil, or just mix and match them through the day, totally up to you. I've been loving coconut oil lately, so that is what I'm using. And as I said, salt is going to be my only seasoning I'm using today. You can do a lot with salt. You can get a lot of flavor, bring out natural flavors of food with salt. So that's what I'm using, but as I said, you can include any seasoning you like through your day. I have got a tin of tuna there. Again, you could use tuna or sardines, mackerel, salmon, whatever you like instead. I've got one lovely avocado there. We're just going to hope it's nice inside. This might sound a bit fancy, organic creme fraiche. This is what I've got in my fridge at the moment. I have been slowly reintroducing dairy back into my diet, and I'm just starting with just organic, wholesome ingredients, and so creme fraiche is what I'm using. But you could just use sour cream instead. You can use the cheapest, easiest sour cream you could find instead. That is perfectly fine. I've got eggs, which are a wonderful staple. So many wonderful ways to enjoy eggs on keto, but we're going to start our day with eggs this morning, so we'll get to that in a bit. For veggies, I've got mushroom, a whole carton of mushrooms over here. I've got zucchini, and I've got spinach. I'm going to enjoy one of them each meal, so I've got a bit of veggies on the side. Oh, I suppose the avocado counts as fruit slash vegetable, so that as well to enjoy through my day. But spinach, zucchini and mushrooms, those are really my go-to. Those probably plus broccoli are the vegetables I enjoy most when I'm having keto days, so that's what I'm including. But as I've said, any vegetables you like, you can mix and match as you like through the day, but just those three give us four-ish portions of vegetables to include through the day. And I've got lamb chops as well, a bit of an indulgent food. You can include steak, you can really any meat you like. These have been on special lately at Aldi here in Ireland, so I couldn't resist those for a meal today as well. So those are the 10 ingredients. That is it. That's what I'm going to use to make up my meals today, show you how easy it is to put together keto meals. And we're going to start with breakfast, mixing and matching. So we'll have eggs. I'm going to have some creme fraiche on the side and just fry up some zucchini in coconut oil and use some salt too. So let me show you how I put my breakfast together. Okay, I've melted coconut oil in the frying pan. I've very roughly chopped my zucchini. I've added on some salt, and I'm just going to fry these until they're golden and done to my liking. Now you could add in onion, garlic, you could add in some mushrooms as well if you want. You can add in any other vegetables you like. I'm just keeping it simple with the zucchini. Just the zucchini frying up will be a nice side to enjoy with my breakfast. The zucchini are starting to brown. You can see they smell pretty good. You can just add more coconut oil, a bit of salt, and as I said, your seasoning of choice. You could add some oregano, pepper. You could pop some sage or basil or mint leaves in for some extra flavor. There's loads of different ways to do it, but I'm just doing salt, zucchini, keeping it really easy today. Those are perfectly golden zucchini to my liking. I'm just going to move them off 2 plates and fry up some eggs in more coconut oil. Okay, I've got 6 beautiful eggs frying in the frying pan. Those first 2 over there for me, 1 each for my kids and 2 for my husband. So I'm going to cook them all until they're done to our liking and then move it all to plates, and I'll show you my finished breakfast plate. And there you go, eggs are cooked to my liking, and I've left a little space there to fill it in with some creme fraiche. And there you go, my finished plate. And remember, as I said, you could use sour cream. You don't have to use creme fraiche. You could use sour cream, you could even use mayo. You could use a bit of plain natural yogurt as well, which is nice, low carb, high fat, nice creaminess to bring everything together and just add a bit more healthy fats to the meal. So that is my breakfast, and keep watching for all my easy meals for the rest of the day. I couldn't resist sharing. Look, zucchini with a bit of yolk is kind of perfection. I've got the creme fraiche mixed through as well. I mean, that's just so much flavor and beautiful, good healthy fats, and just such a yum easy keto meal with just simple ingredients. And for lunch, I'm making a tuna salad. I've got a tin of tuna over here, avocado, I've got my creme fraiche again, but you could use sour cream instead. I've got salt and spinach, and I'm going to put it all together in a salad. You could, if you want to, just take the full avocado and tuna with you to work and then put it all together there, take all the elements, put it together at work, school, college, university, whatever, so that it doesn't, all the avocado doesn't go brown and everything just is nice and fresh. You could make it last minute if you want, but I'm going to pop it all together in a container. So I've washed a whole lot of greens. They're in the dish over there in the container, and I'm going to top it with all the ingredients one by one. Okay, starting with the tuna. I've popped the tuna on top of the spinach. I've cut open the avocado, and it looks like a good one. I hope it's a good one. I'll just pop some on top of the salad. Okay, I've very haphazardly chopped up the avocado, popped it on top of the salad, and now I'm just going to drizzle over some creme fraiche. And then just add a shake of salt, and it's done. It's a lovely, nourishing salad, one that's just full of good ingredients, good healthy fats, low in carb, good protein, just a lovely balanced meal. And for dinner, I'm going to cook up these lamb loin chops and mushrooms, and I'll probably cook up some spinach as well at the end, just to fry it, to have a bit more greens on our plate today. So I'm going to start by cooking the mushrooms. I'm going to chop them up, melt a bit of coconut oil in the frying pan and get them cooking. Okay, I've chopped up all the mushrooms. I've got them in the frying pan with the coconut oil. I've added in salt. You really could add in any other veg you like. Add in some garlic, onion, add in any herbs, seasonings to go with the mushrooms. The mushrooms are pretty much done. I'm going to move them into a bowl now, cover them with a lid, and then start cooking the meat. Okay, lamb chops are in. We've got some salt on them. You can add more coconut oil if it needs it. And I'm just going to cook them until they're all browned on both sides. It's only been a few minutes and I flipped the meat over, and now it's going to cook the other side, but I think I'm going to give this side a bit of time to brown. I'm kind of flipping one side the other, just keeping a close eye on it. The lamb chops are pretty much done. I'm just going to move them off the plates, clean out the pan, and cook up some spinach quickly. Okay, I cleaned out the pan, added a few handfuls of spinach with a bit more coconut oil, just so they get all of the lovely flavour. I just really very briefly rinsed the pan, so it's still got loads of flavour of the meat, and I find the greens kind of breaks through the richness. Cooking it as we're speaking, it's pretty much done, and I'll move it onto plates now. And there's my finished plate. I love having a bit of greens. I find it helps absorb the richness, and it just is so nutritionally balanced. And I've got my mushrooms and my 2 lamb chops over there to complete my meal and complete my day with 10 ingredients, all those lovely meals you've seen today. And I've written a full blog post, which I'll leave down below, which has the list of ingredients again, and all of the recipes and how to make everything, and lots of ideas as well for extra ingredients, because as I said through the video, I've used 10 core ingredients, and then there's loads of ways you can add them to add more flavor and variety to the meals. But as you've seen, it is so easy to keep keto with just simple meals, with simple ingredients, with nice wholesome recipes. and I'd love to hear from you what you think of this video, any other challenges you'd like me to have, what your favorite ingredients are that are keto friendly. If you just had to have 10 ingredients, what would you just include in your 10 ingredients? I look forward to opening up the conversation down below in the comments. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.